Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fully customize your Steam profile in 2025, including your profile themes, showcases, animated backgrounds and more. So make sure that you stick around till the end to learn how to unlock the best customization options. First of all, you need to open your Steam powered application in your PC or in your laptop, and over here you need to simply provide your username and your password and log in into your account. Now once you are in your Steam account, you will see your username in the top right hand corner. So if you click on this username, you will see the option of view my profile. So after clicking on view my profile, you will be landed on this page. Here in the right hand section, click on edit profile. Now with the help of this form, you can basically change the basic info. So in the general tab, you need to provide your profile name. You can also change it, and you can provide your real name as well. If you want to add any custom URL, you can provide that. You can change your country and your region here. If you want to add any summary, you can simply provide that. If you want to hide your community awards on your profile, you can enable this option, or you can even disable it. Then press save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Next, we have the option of avatar. So if you click on the avatar option, you will see a bunch of different pre-made avatars. But if you already have your own avatar, you can also upload it by clicking on this upload your avatar option. Now your avatar frame should look something like this. So if you are okay with it, simply click on the save option in the bottom right hand corner. Next, we have the option of profile background. So as the name suggests, you will be able to change the background of your profile. So here, this is the default profile, which you can simply select and click on the save option. But if you want to add your own, you can simply go to your profile and select your background. Next, we have the theme option as well. So if you click on the theme option, you can select any of the themes. Let's say I want to select this one. So after selecting it, click on the save option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this is how you can make changes to your profile one by one, and you can set it up very easily. Now if you go to the privacy settings, you can choose what to show or what to hide, like your game, your library, the playtime and badges. So this is how you can customize your Steam profile in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.